The Alma PrimeX is unique mainly because it combines two unique technologies, both radio frequency as well as ultrasound, to not only break down fat, but also to tighten skin. Given its technology, it can be used anywhere from the upper body all the way down to the lower body, and it's something that's quite unique within the industry.
From our experience in our clinic, the Alma PrimeX is the most amazing machine. The fastest results ever. So in 35 minutes of treatment, you can show your clients the changes on their bodies and the lost centimeters.
I already have the results. After 5 sessions, I lose a couple of inches. The shape of my belly is changed. It feels great. I feel more confident. Great results in short time.
During the treatment, I felt just relaxed and I just enjoyed like a massage. I could not feel any pain at all and I was just very comfortable.
From my experience of previous devices, you sometimes need even 1, 2 or even 3 devices to achieve the same result, but this is all in one package. So it's very easy for the clinician to actually use and also gain great results.
We always do before and after session photos, and so we can convince our clients about the amazing results. They can see by themselves the shape recountering and the skin tightening after the treatment.
I think the results were really good with this treatment, and I was super happy because it's made me feel so much more confident within my skin. I'm someone who does train a lot, so it really smoothed over my skin. I felt like my cellulite was a lot better. There was a few little pockets of fat that are a lot more smoother, so I would definitely have this treatment again.